in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions on images that you upload on your Instagram account. So if you want to make a post and you want to add a caption on the image on your post, then this video will help you to do exactly that. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Instagram, and then from here, go ahead and tap on this plus icon to go ahead and identify the image you want to use for your publication. For my case, I want to use this image. I'll go ahead and tap on it. And here our image has been uploaded. Now, the next thing to do is to tap on next. And from here, we can now do some editing on our image. And one of the things we can do is either add music or add a written caption on our image. To add a written caption, go ahead and tap on this capital and small a, and then this will open a window where you can now write your message. So that is my message I've written, season greetings. Now, if you want to change the color, you can as well use this color wheel here. Choose the one that you think is suitable, and once you're done, click on done here. And as you can see, the caption has been added, and therefore you can move this caption anywhere that you so wish on your image. So once you're done, go down here and look for the next option here. Tap on it to proceed. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead now and share your post. But before you share your post, you may want maybe to accompany your post with another caption, which is text under your image. So go ahead and add anything that you want, and once you're done, tap on OK. Then finally tap on share, and then your post will be processed, and as you can see here, it is done. So here is our post that has been published together with our caption on the image. So that's how you add captions on your images in Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.